for coming. I'm Megan. I'm the chapter chair of the American Fire Sprinkler Association Mid-Atlantic chapter. Quickly, we just want to acknowledge everybody that helped us put this together today. Our boxes were built by the North Monco Technical Community Center. Ferguson Fire and Fabrication helped with transporting and sponsoring the event as well. We have Jamie Wright with Biking, who's also our chapter treasurer, Mike Leister with Johnson Controls, who's our executive director, Dave Fry with Ferguson, Ray Fremont Jr. with General Air Products, and I'm sure I'm forgetting some people, but thank you to everyone that helped us put this together, and thank you also to Upper Dublin Township and the Fort Washington Fire Department, who were just as instrumental in this as everyone else.
So, we want to show you two burns tonight. One with a residential sprinkler system and one without. And while we're doing this, there are certain standards I want you to keep in mind. If you dial 911 right now, the standard says that somebody should pick up that phone in 15 seconds. So at the 15-second mark, 911, what's your emergency? They then get 1 minute to get the information they need in order to dispatch the fire company to your problem. The standard says that after dispatch, the firefighters get 80 seconds to get on the fire truck and come to the fire. The standard then gets them 4 minutes to arrive on the scene. So you're looking at answer the phone at 15 seconds, dispatch at 1:15, apparatus leaving the station at 2 minutes 35 seconds, on scene in 6 minutes 35 seconds. We then did some time motion studies on what it takes to go put the fire out, to put water on the fire. We simulated a 2.5-story dwelling with a 35-foot front yard setback with a fire on the second floor. And after repeating it a number of times, the average time for that was 98 seconds. Call it 90. So we're looking at water on the fire at 8 minutes 5 seconds. So the first thing we want to do is ignite the sprinkler unit. You can see the smoke. Smoke detector just went off. Start the clock. 911, what's your emergency? First flames. We're at 32 seconds. Dispatch doesn't occur until 1:15. Sprinkler system just went off. At 2 minutes 20 seconds, the fire department has not yet hit the street. The fire truck has not yet left the house. You can pull the stuff out of there if you would. Thank you. Now what we want to do is turn back the clock. We're going to start over. We're now going to burn this one. And what we're going to do there is let it go and see what happens. Again, keeping in mind the clock. We have smoke. Smoke detector just went off, start the clock. At 1:15, we're going to dispatch the fire company. The couch has caught fire, not unlike the first one we just did. At 1:15 at the mark, Station 88, Rockhouse Avenue, reported to be a living room on fire. They now get till 2 minutes 35 seconds to leave the station. The fire department is on the way. They left here about 10 seconds, 15 seconds ago. They're en route. They will arrive on scene at 6 minutes 35 seconds. Folks, that is called flashover. The fire department is still 3 minutes away. 3 minutes. At the mark, the fire department will be 2 minutes away. Mark, they're still 2 minutes out. You're upstairs. You're trapped. Fire department's still a minute and a half out. Notice that by now, this fire's starting to die out in this room. But if this is connected to the rest of your house, this fire has the rest of the house to go after. Lieutenant, would you like to man your hose line? I'll let you know when. We're 30 seconds away from putting water on the fire. And I want you to know this is real time. This is what happens in working house fires that we go to. This timing is about correct. Ten seconds out. Lieutenant, go for it. That fire is out. Real time. That's what a house fire looks like. What I want you to look at is the difference between the one on the right with a sprinkler system, where a piece of the couch is burned, and the one on the left without the sprinkler system, which would have been a fatal fire for anybody in that house. Real fire, real time.